preliminary building agreement. Here's everything you need to know. A professional builder will produce a preliminary building agreement, or commonly known as a PBA, to provide you the final design drawings and specification documentation and a fixed price quotation. The benefits of this include you work together on the final design to deliver your requirements with regards to aesthetics, function, budget. In addition to the design drawings, the builder works with you to finalise finishes and colour selections, so once your build starts, it's all predetermined and you can enjoy watching your home come together. You have every bit of information to complete a detailed fixed price quotation with no need for open-ended provisional sums or prime cost allowances that may run over budget and cost you more down the track. When that quotation is complete and the decision is made to sign off on a building contract, the documents are ready for submission for building approval and you can get started without delay. Further, a professional builder can manage the whole process for you. That way you don't have to go and find the surveyor, the geotechnical engineer, architect, structural engineer, a hydraulics engineer, or the selections and colour consultant. Get all fee proposals from them and manage and coordinate them to make sure that not only they deliver what you want, but also stay on the same page as each other. By utilising a PBA, you remain in charge, but the builder just does all the legwork for you and you can focus on the final outcome and enjoy the journey. What does a PBA include? Before you sign a preliminary building agreement, it's important to understand what your PBA contains. An in-depth PBA would include the following information as part of the agreement with a professional builder: the geotechnical engineer's report, or the soil test, a test of your soil to confirm the type so that it can be used to formulate the best possible and most cost-effective foundation plan, the site contour survey. If you have a sloping site, a professional builder will produce a detailed contour survey plan to ensure the building is designed to suit the site so all the construction costs can be captured. Energy efficiency report. The PBA would outline details such as insulation, orientation, window glazing, heating or cooling systems to make sure it complies with the relevant energy standards. Architectural detailed design. It contains the full set of complete architectural drawings, building plans and specifications required for your building project, and also including electrical layout plans, exterior and interior finishes schedules, wet area and internal elevations and joinery layouts, sanitary appliances, lighting and electrical and window covering schedules. Also some 3D imagery. Structural engineer design. All structural design elements to ensure the building's ability to withstand cyclonic wind conditions and general site conditions. Hydraulic engineering design to ensure that you have continuous and constant water pressure to all your plumbing fittings and fixtures. It's important that your water service and drainage is designed to suit the specific hydraulic services of your home. Further, a professional builder will have a hydraulic engineer calculate the size of the roof guttering and the size and number of downpipes. The fixed price contract quotation. On completion of all the above design documentation, the professional builder can then prepare and present you with a genuine fixed price contract proposal to build your custom home with everything covered. There is no guesstimation or use of provisional sums and prime costs, so there are no surprises down the track. The benefits of having a preliminary building agreement. So now that you know what a preliminary building agreement is and why it is important to have one, we're sure that you have realised the benefits of having a preliminary building agreement. But here are the top 3 major benefits of signing a PBA before you begin building. It protects you from hidden costs as everything is covered so that there are no surprises down the track. 2, it can help you avoid costly disagreements or disputes between you and an unorganised builder. 3, a PBA makes the construction process more smooth and transparent for both parties. It helps to ensure that your project is completed on time and on budget. A PBA gives you full control of the entire building process. So why does the cost of a PBA vary from builder to builder? It's also important to understand why the cost of a PBA varies from builder to builder. A few builders may give you a low-cost PBA, and there might be several reasons for this. The area you are building in is very well known to the builder, and they might have built there in the past. They take a guess at the site conditions are the same. Or the builder constructs the same design over and over, so they have all the plans ready. Or the builder doesn't customise the PBA and just applies the same generic document to all prospective clients, no matter whether it assists them determine a fixed price or not. These low-cost and generic PBAs are often provided by builders who want to save their time and resources So they prefer not to determine an actual fixed price of your project, which means they will eventually charge you extra money down the road because they have not created a customised PVA for your project that's suitable for your project requirements, your block and your dream home. On the other hand, a professional builder may charge you more for their PVA, but their aim is to save you time and money from the initial investigations, preparing a thorough PVA right to hand over your keys. They will create a customised PVA for each and every client, which means they will make the necessary extra efforts to determine an exact fixed price of your project during the early stages of your building process. The risks of not having a PVA: people often overlook this part of the building process. And by not doing their due diligence to understand the importance of these agreements, they end up paying more for their project in the long run. Without a preliminary building agreement, you could end up with a project plan that isn't designed correctly, a builder who doesn't understand your needs to quote it properly for all the inclusions and specifications that are not clearly outlined, resulting in the final price being way out of what you originally expected. A PVA is a very important document that protects the interests of both parties, whereas without it, you can't have a fixed price for your project. So we highly recommend that you engage with a professional builder who can provide you with a detailed, comprehensive preliminary building agreement to ensure that your quote and the process to build your dream home is accurate and detailed and a true fixed price. A PVA is an essential step of our house building process. At Live Construction, we help our clients be more involved and aware of the process that happened in order to build your dream home. So we provide every client with a detailed PVA that outlines all the essential reports, cost breakdowns and other information required to build your custom home. We understand the importance of this step for both our clients and our business, so we have a dedicated team to research each block before a PVA is created. We go through all the new reports from local councils, land experts and other building professionals to ensure our clients have a detailed understanding of the building process. So if you're looking for a professional builder in Townsville who is dedicated to providing you with a stress-free building experience, feel free to contact us today on 4724 1964.